Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, so this is the mixture that I just show you, demonstrates how I do this DIY beauty at home. My egg whites and my coconut oil, organic coconut oil that I did by myself. You can watch the video. And lemon juice. We all know what lemon juice does to our skin. All these DIY beauty tips that I'm bringing to you people at your doorstep, is to show you guys what I use on my skin, on my face, on my body. Can you see my skin? So these are what I use. So I said, let me show it to you guys. So if anybody wants to have a fluffy skin like my skin, anti-wrinkle free, these are for matured people. It can be for anybody, particularly for the matured people. People who have dark eye cycles, blemish, acne, dry skin problem. This is good for you as well. So now I'm going to apply it and leave it for 12 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes before I wash it off. Okay, so you can use your hand, or you can rather use the brush if you got a brush. When you're doing this process, applying this ingredient, you got to put it around your face, your neck, if possible, because I'm doing it on video. If I wasn't doing it on video, I take off all my clothes, I do it in the bathroom, all over my body, apart from my face, my hands, my body, everywhere. Then I stay in the bathroom there for 20 minutes doing other stuff, or putting my nighty dress, go around the house before I go and take my shower. So because I'm showing you guys here, demonstrating it for you guys to see on here, so I need not to go on nude because it's not allowed by YT. So make sure before you apply, do this process, your face is washed with your daily face wash. No makeup, nothing on your face. The only thing on my face here is the lipstick I put, just to make me look good. Otherwise, my face is clean, washed. Sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I don't wash my face with any soap. I just use my coconut oil to wash my face. I wash my face with my coconut oil. That is it. It cleanses any dirt in your face, any blemish, any radicals. It takes them off. It exfoliates your face as well. But today I'm using pure organic coconut oil, egg white, and lemon juice. If you want to lighten your skin, instead of you using all this harsh cream that people are buying, people are using, use a very mild one, a natural one that gradually it will lighten your skin. Okay guys, when you are applying this face mask, do it gently. Don't allow it to go into your eyes because of the lemon juice. Okay, do it light, and especially under your eyes here, baggy eyes, saggy eyes, calf-foot eyes. Rub this under your eyes. Do it gently. As I'm massaging now, the blood under my skin, they are been circulating, which is good for your face, for your body, for your skin. You need a massage. You do it slowly and gently. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. If possibly 20 minutes, 25 minutes, even 30 minutes. If you're not in a rush, you are just at home doing nothing, you don't want to go to shopping or anywhere or school run for your kids, do this. The white egg will tighten your skin up. It will tighten your saggy skin up, your saggy, baggy face up. It will tighten it up. The lemon juice will exfoliate, will cleanse, will detox, will remove any nyama, any radicals there. And it's an anti-aging. It got anti-aging property. It got anti-lightening property as well. It will lighten your skin. Don't you see my face? Look at my face. These are the natural remedies that I use. These are ingredients that we use in our everyday cooking. You can find eggs around your kitchen. You can find lemon around your kitchen. You can find coconut oil because you use them to cook. This coconut oil, I did it at home myself. I break 5 coconut or 6. This coconut oil, I rub it on my fish, on my meat, and roast on my chicken. You hear the flavor of that coconut scent, oh, the fragrance, the aroma. Is wow. It's beautiful. I sprinkle that coconut oil on my salad. I use it to do my baking, you know. I use it to grill my fish, my chicken, my lamb, my steak. I rub it all over my body, my hair, you know. So I will allow it to go dry a little bit. I will apply third coat. Then after that, I'm not going to throw this away. I can still use this. You can do this 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week. So I'm going to put this in a container or use a clean film to cover this, put in the fridge. You should use it before 24 hours. After that, don't use it again because of the egg. If you are allergic to egg, because some people are allergic to egg, you can only use the lemon juice and the egg white to do this process. The lemon juice and the coconut oil will be fine if you don't apply egg, because if you're allergic to egg, do not use it. Okay? Some people are allergic to egg. Just do the lemon juice and the coconut oil. Okay? Leave the egg side if you're allergic to egg. But after 24 hours, discard it. Do not use it again. Please.